Hello everyone, and now in this video we will discuss about if else statement. So previously we have discussed if statement and you know about it. So now let's, if this if condition is false, so what we will do, we will execute another block of code which will be with the help of else statement. So if this condition is true, this block of code will be executed, means these lines, and if this is not the true, so these lines will be executed. For example, echo the condition is false. So if the condition is true, so we will see a is equal to 3. If the condition is false, so we will see the condition is false. Okay, so let's check it. And now you can see the condition is false, and we have seen over here from this line of code. So let me remove it or comment this one and refresh it. Now you can see the condition is false. Okay, but if the condition is true 3, so what will happen? You will see a is equal to 3. So now you can see a is equal to 3. So these lines of codes are executed, means this block is executed and this is not executed. Okay, and the condition is true. So that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next video.